Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open your GitHub projects or GitHub notebooks in your Jupyter notebook. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, there are two ways to do it. Either you can have the Jupyter lab installed into your local computer, and from there you can start importing the notebooks, or you can simply start using the browser version. So here I'm using the Jupyter Lite, or you can have also an NB viewer for your Jupyter viewer, and basically you can start adding your notebooks. And basically now you will be needing to have the link for a notebook. And basically here I'm just going to copy the URL for this notebook. And basically this is an IPython notebook, and it has many notebooks. So those are just PDFs, and we will be needing to have some uh, IPyNB notebooks. So those are some notebooks as you can see. And from here we will need just to go to the Jupyter Lite, and from here we will need just add either another tab or whatever. And I'm just going to File, and here I'm just going to open from URL. So here we will be needing just to open in your GitHub, and I'm just going to open Git, and basically we'll be needing to have the link to our exact uh, file or to our exact notebook, and we can do also that. And let's try again. We go to the URL. From here we can click on open, and normally it should work. And even if we go to our here, and basically if we click on anyone, so for example this assignment, it will be opened in the MB viewer. So you might try also this MB viewer and open your notebook in the MB viewer so you can get it done. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.